is that? It's, no. Is that Laura? I'll just keep on thinking about it. It's very sad. Big day for them. Wow. Hope everything's gonna be okay. Hope everything gets better, man. Wow. Big day for us too. We're staying positive. Gotta have faith. Believe. That's the key. That's weird. Wow, that's crazy. I hope they take the. I hope they take it all down and build new, but I mean, wow, this is interesting. I hope they build bigger and better, you know, new. Because Laura said that she was gonna keep the 2-story, but I don't know, maybe they changed their mind. So I don't know when they take it all down because I think I thought the inside looks really bad. It's disgusting. It's horrible. And it was really nice. It was a really nice place actually. But wow, interesting watch. Music in the background. Music in the background. No way. That's crazy. Wow. That's pretty they're doing this fast. Gosh, I wish somebody'd come by. I want to go to Castlewood or a hike with me. I'm still wanting to exercise. I'm feeling so exhausted from working so hard last night. And then we're going to get more friends and having a more exciting time, get more energy. I think it's happening, but sometimes I'm so lazy. this hurries up because I'm gonna go for a run again. I'm gonna go for a run real fast. Energy to go up to do that. Like a smoothie. Let me a smoothie or something, but oh, this is really depressing actually. This is sad. We grew up with them, but we used to watch over them and they used to watch over us and stuff, but this is sad. It's really a big mark for me. Well, I mean, somewhat, yeah. We used to play a lot of video games, Atari, and we used to play a lot of video games over there. I remember I played with their pool table, go swimming. We did a lot of things over there. I wish I would have done more than I did, but we did a little bit, yeah. This is crazy. That's interesting. What's gonna happen next? Wild. Seems like things just keep on happening and happening that are kind of interesting and wild. I don't know. Hope nothing bad happens though. That's what I pray. I go to church all the time and I pray. I pray at home and I always pray at home in different places, and I meditate a lot. That's weird. A little boy died in that house. Brian. I'm just hoping that maybe he's still alive or something. Or maybe he's a secret angel or something. I don't know, that sounds crazy, but he was like a transformer for Halloween and stuff. I don't know, but we played a lot of video games. That's what I remember. So I'm thinking there's a lot of angels, a lot of angel work going on these days around here. So a lot of good things are happening now, but crazy stuff.